2:55 left to play here in the third. 56-57 is the count. This is a 1-point lead by Sual Operaña. One step too many by Operaña. Pagaduan, lab pass to Atacador. The lead is 3 once again. Sansano powering from deep. There was a foul called. Foul on number 13.
Foul on jersey number 13. Blocking foul.
There will be a coach challenge with 2 minutes 13 to go here in the third quarter. We find Manaoag is trailing by 3 points, 56-59. They have a challenge.
Hindi naman intention kasi pero nalasan. 13 to 17. Nalasan. Sali, let's go. Traveling.
Tingnan mo nga. Tapos, traveling ang ininingin niya, pero sa atin may call. Tingnan natin.
Sige, basta yung contest lang yung i-review.
Kaya nga,
Traveling.
tingnan niyo.
Traveling? Kapag.
Wala tayong.
Ay, wala. Walang.
Wala.
Wala daw. Sabi niyo ito. Wala sa traveling. Walang challenge. Walang review.
Walang review sa traveling. Wala nga.
Challenge was unsuccessful. Okay.
Pwede na contest yung traveling. Wala foul lang.
The game resumes. It is ball possession for Sual. 12 seconds to shoot. Eufemiano rushing to the front court, getting another basket and cutting down the lead to 1 point once again, 58-59. Bonso. No. Laka drives in. Oh, big rebound by the big fellow. Shelter Skelter with Eufemiano. Fakes. Sansano. positioning by Laka. He is at the right place at the right time. And the lead goes back to Manaoag, 60-59. With only 45 left to play here in the third. Bonso back to Pagaduan. Another fast break on the one. Eufemiano, 2 points. 62-59. What a block by Tugas. Oh boy! 8 seconds. Oh! That's a 3-point shot by Atacador. That's defiance of a landing spot. Two misses by Atacador on the line. Still a 3-point basket separating these two ball clubs. 60-59. And we have a ceasefire timeout. Manaoag. With 5.6 seconds to go here in the third. Manaoag leading by 2 points. And they choose for a timeout.
Back to the ball game. 5.6 seconds remaining.
With that time remaining, 5.6 seconds. Manaoag has the chance to draw a good play before the time expires here in the third quarter. And Season forced that one. He should have given the ball to Eufemiano to take that shot instead.